Environmental Studies Series 3. Chapter 5. Plants and Animals Live Together. Hello friends, I am Sunil. Look at this beautiful picture. Do you see how plants, animals and insects live together in harmony? They support each other by sharing food, shelter and so much more. Let me share more about this amazing relationship with you in this chapter. We see many plants and animals in our surroundings. They depend on each other for fulfilling various needs. These needs may be food, oxygen, safety, shelter and various other things. Let us explore more about how plants and animals help and support each other. Animals and plants help each other. The plants and animals live like best friends. They help each other in nature. Let us understand this relation between animals and plants with the help of some examples. Animals need plants. Animals need plants for oxygen, food, homes, and safety. For example, oxygen gas released by plants during food making is used by us and animals while breathing. Frogs sit on big leaves to hide and stay safe near water. Ants use leaves to make tiny homes, and caterpillars eat leaves to grow into butterflies. Squirrels use tree hollows to hide and rest. Woodpeckers make holes in tree trunks to find food or create homes. Tailor birds sew leaves nicely to make their nest. Plants need animals. Plants need animals to make food, grow and increase their numbers. For example, carbon dioxide gas released by animals is used by plants for food making. Bees, bats and butterflies help flowers make seeds by carrying tiny yellow powder, pollen, from one flower to another. Birds help plants grow in new places by eating fruits and dropping the seeds. Worms make the soil healthy so plants can grow better. Big animals like elephants eat fruits and then spread the seeds when they walk around. This helps new plants grow in different places. How do we help plants and animals? We plant trees, water plants, and take care of animals. In return, plants give us fruits, vegetables, and fresh air to breathe, and animals give us milk, eggs and wool help in many of our daily tasks. This sharing is very important because it keeps them alive and helps them grow healthy. If plants and animals did not work as a team, many of them would not be able to live and vanish from Earth. Life in the soil. Look closely at the soil around you, whether it is in a garden, field, or even a flower pot. You might see tiny living things like ants, insects and worms moving around. This shows that soil is a home for many living things. It provides them with everything they need to survive and grow, such as food, shelter and air. Now, let us learn some important features of soil that makes it so useful. How is soil formed? Soil is formed over a very long time when rocks break into tiny pieces because of wind, water and sunlight. Dead leaves, plants and animals mix with these tiny pieces of rock to make soil. This process takes hundreds of years to create the soil we see today. Features of soil. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth. It is found in different colors, such as black, red, yellow and brown. The color of soil depends on the materials it is made from, such as rocks, minerals, and parts of broken down plants. The different colors of soil are black, red, yellow, brown, gray and white. These colors come from what is in the soil. Black soil has lots of dead plants and other natural materials. Red soil has iron in it. Yellow soil has more sand. Brown soil is a mix of plants and minerals. Gray soil has less air and water, and white soil has things like chalk and lime in it. The texture of soil can vary too. Some soil feels soft and smooth like clay, while other types of soil may be rough and grainy like sand. When soil gets wet, it often has a fresh and pleasant earthy smell. Soil also holds water, which helps plants grow, and it provides nutrients that plants need to stay healthy. Living things in soil. Soil is home to many living things. For example, ants, rats, moles, termites, worms, beetles, and grasshoppers. Some living things in the soil are so tiny that we cannot see them with our eyes. When it rains, the soil becomes wet, and living things like earthworms and millipedes come out to breathe and look for food. This happens because too much water fills up their tunnels, making it hard for them to get enough air. You may also see snails crawling around on the damp soil because they enjoy wet and cool environments. Sounds of birds. Visit with your elders a nearby area where you can see and hear different birds. Listen carefully to the sounds they make. Birds use sounds as a way to communicate with each other. Each sound of birds has a purpose. Birds make sounds to talk to one another, warn about danger, or find a mate. Let us explore the sounds of different birds and discover what they mean.